Jay, let's go.
Okay.
Hello!
Dito kami sa bundok, maraming lamok. Kaya hinto muna maglagay ng gamot.
Yeah, it's still a bit wet here.
Yeah.
So,
Meron pa laman.
Hindi, sa bata ka yan. Kaya nag-spray kami, maraming lamok. Nandito kami sa Forest of the World. Yan.
Ano to? Liquid dito.
Yan. Alas 7 ng gabi. Pero maliwanag pa rin sa Canada. Yan.
Kunin mo yung naka-holding hands mo. Yung mga anak mo. Holding hands silang dalawa, oh. Mamaya.
Hinahanap niya yung kanina, gusto niya lumabas.
Yan ang anak ko. Nakipag-hop, naghiwala yung kamay.
Nahiya sila. Nahiya, na-conscious.
Hindi, kasi nilipat niya yung reel niya.
Fiona! 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 Say hi! Hello!
Sabi niya, ito na yung tatay. Andiyan na yung tatay. Naku, hindi na ko na kailangan ng kamay.
Yan.
Alam niya na.
Say hi kayo dyan!
Hello!
Hello!
Malamok po rito.
Walang pa vlog, kundi bundok na lang i-vlog. Buti na lang mayroon ako ba? Go na Pina, go, go!
Ay, pinuputak sila tayo ng lamang dito.
Yep!
For the picking.
Say hi!
hi, how are you?
Good!
Introduce the park, Paul. Introduce the park. Yeah.
We are here from what place this one?
Forest for the World.
Yeah.
Prince George, British Columbia.
And then, yeah, say something.
About like what?
About the place.
Oh, well, it's a mixed forest of fir and balsam and spruce and pine. And, probably first growth. It hasn't been logged.
Baka umihi.
Sino? Mihe. Baka mihe.
Si tatay.
Wala, one person.
So how many trees do you think here in this forest?
How many trees? Maybe hundreds of thousands.
Paisa-isa nawawala eh.
Too many trees.
And
Too many
there's,
bugs too, right?
Too many bugs, but
And
there's
mini-
bears
mini
and
mosquito.
moose in here. But not right now.
Tatay, naku, huwag niyo iwan si tatay. So enjoy the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes here are different from the Philippines. It's too big.
Big.
Too big, and when they bite, it's so bitter.
That's funny.
Enough na.
Ano naman, mamaya naman daw.
That's alright.
Saan tayo? Dito o doon? Daddy, here, right?
Yeah, the lake is coming up very soon.
Siguro ba ang mga dahil hindi naman rin ito ba? Be long enough.
Yan.
Mas makapal pala ito? Experience pa. Go swim on the water.
Oh, it's moving. Okay, that's good. So that's your first catch for the day.
Namimingwit sila. It's 8 p.m. 7 p.m. ba't ang araw? Yeah. Yung oras. Alas 7. Alas 7. Pero mainit pa rin. Yan. Yan yung asawa ko't anak.
Yes. Oo, para lang sigurado. Minsan kasi at least may trail kang request. Pwede na mag ano doon.
Yun na. Careful.
Wala na. Oo.
Okay, the love team of the year.
The love team of the year.
The love team of the year.
Future ano yan? Oh, ate, nakapagpunta pala.
Ay, di basta-basta si ate talaga.
Siguro mid-week of Wednesday.
Kasi na yung rubber shoes.
Baka meron bang pupuntahan na hindi na
You know, reel it in.
We're happy parang maayos na.
Oo nga, yun nakakain. Ano, hindi naman ako. Hindi ko alam yan. Nakikita mo ba ako? Ano nag-upload? Gardosi de Vera. Patingin mo nga, sis.
Te. Yan, move kayo. Susunod sa inyo. Ito, yan o. Yan. Sumusunod.
Hi, vlog. So which way we will go that?
Saan sa road?
hindi ka bubuhayin.
Oo. Yung ano, Instagram video.
Baka masabitan sa sis ha. Up, 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 up.
Isaac, it will be danger for other people.
Bumili ka talaga? Model Y?
Oo, laki din.
Talaga Model Y?
Mom, please.
Oh, may.
Ganda.
Say hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Hindi ka na makaano, no? Hindi na ma-just.
Yay, ate.
Hi, Fabian.
Ganun ang gas babayaran mo, no? Kung ano pa eh, di ba?
Say, subscribe to our channel.
Kailan niyo pa para like? Oo nga eh. Kailan niyo nakuha yung ano? Tesla? Ay, ganda. Anong kulay?
Wala mang signal dito.
Nice.
Walang signal. Walang.
Ganda.
Ano lang yun?
Mami, si Piona, mami ha. Piona.
Sila ko yung Leo, meron na din yung Model Y.
Ma, come here na.
Gray naman, gray. Oo. Kasi nga, sige. Prop natin yan, prop. Detective stick. Tama, black pa eh, no? Men in black. Naka-black Tesla.
Oh, those are those things.
Init lang.
Stinger, yeah. They think one of those more time. That's a nymph, yeah.
Oo, sige, mag-ano tayo sa office. Actually, another day, tomorrow.
Isaac, you will walk barefoot.
They sting, man.
Hindi niyo pumunta sa tubig.
Yeah, pero ako pala ngayon.
Kaso nag-text mo ba ng babae mo?
Oo. Tanong ko. Yeah. Great way later.
Forest of the world.
You rock my world, baby. You rock my world like no one else. You make it spin and twirl, baby. You rattle my chain, baby. You rattle my chain. Yeah, you found the key to drive my cold heart insane.
tatay.
All the one for me, baby, you
Hawak kay tita, hawak.
are the
Yun lang.
one for me. Yeah, clear as daylight for anyone to see.
Naihi mo doon yung asawa ko.
Yeah, baby.
Walking kami para matanggal yung taba sa katawan.
Sis, yung anak mo sis. Iwanan na. Kunin mo yung babae mo. Mawala yan.
Let's go! Let's go, Fiona, let's go! Let's go, Fiona, let's go! Nakabistida si Fiona, akit ng bundok. Bibi na yan. Ay.
Ako, wala na yung mata ni Pion.
Tawagin mo sa tatay Bing pang spray.
Parang nakakahalata ako, be. Palit tayo.
Bakit? Yan, yan ah. Pwede yan. Pwede yan. Pwede yan. Yung ko na, be.
Agad na.
Say, mami. Say, hello. Hello.
Where's Fiona?
Where's Fiona? Where's Fiona? Bibi na yan si. Fiona. Hindi na pa. Usong na kayo, no? Titaki. Usong na kayo, titaki.
Ay, nakakapagod. Medyo pababa ah.
Pagkuhan mo sa ilong mo. Uy, baka madula siya.
Nak, go with tatay.
Op, madulas ka Fiona, slowly.
Uy, naiwanan na sila.
Tay, sana sila tay.
Hindi ko alam. My goodness. Ako daw, babe. Ispagayan mo sa ulo. Oh, my.
Sa likod si Diana. Kami likod ko. Yan mo. Tagal naman na. Hindi na, kamay ko ah.
Sa paa, be.
Ha?
Dami sa paa mo. Takang ayaw pang bumitiw eh. Wow, pabalik nito. Sobrang dami ng lamok, pumapalakpak na sila eh. Oh my goodness. Enjoy. Oh my goodness. Ay.
Okay lang. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, te.
Ang daming lamok.
Yung mata. Mata ko.
Grabe yung lamok sa ulo mo.
Madami ba? Oh my gosh. Gusto ako ah. Madugo daw eh. Masarap ang dugo.
Malayo pa ba?
Di ko alam kung gusto natin umikot.
Malapit daw, malapit na daw.
Malapit na, saan?
Ito daw yung malapit na ano.
Palabas.
Tayo.
Ate, pahingin po ng konti. Para lang matanggal ulit.
Turn to the right, turn to the left, go to straight.
Whenever you're lost, look at the map.
Kasi naghihirap yung asawa mo.
Oo nga, nakukubuhat ng mga... Talagang dalawa. Ay, hindi naman.
Be, i-click mo sa dalawa, be, pag hindi na pantay, be. Dalawa.
Daddy, there's a map here.
Yan.
There's a map. Yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
Baka yung damit
What's your
mo
problem?
masyadong lapitin ng
Where's the spray, be?
Dami niya ba yan?
Give the spray the bait, kids. Oh! Spray first.
Oh, what's up?
Yeah, you have lots of mosquitoes. For the kids.
Yeah. Just calm down, please.
Where are they?
Calm down, please.
Where's Fiona?
with Lolo, with
Tatay.
Lolo.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay.
Aba si Fiona.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
This is the lower
Close your
lookout,
eyes.
Daddy.
Close your eyes.
Sino yan, be? Wala, be?
Wala man. Mamaya pag paakyat natin, ako mahirap na to.
Where does it say we are? Does it say that anywhere? No. Where does it say we are? I don't know. See, that's the lookout there. Yeah, sorry.
So where are we going?
Well, I'm wondering. Oh,
Oh,
you
you
are
are here.
which is there. So we've already gone past the lookout where we were going to go to. So we are already past where we
Oh,
wanted
okay.
to go.
Hold them.
That's what I thought. I thought we had.
Mali yan, mali!
So, Daddy, where is our way? Here?
Well, they don't. It would be wonderful if they had a sign, one of these things that said, this way, look out this way. Because
Oh,
otherwise, I don't know.
didn't see anything like that.
See, somebody had to write that in because the people who did the map didn't think of doing that, apparently, it seems like.
Yes, it's buggy. Eastern boundary. Oh, so the look, maybe this is the way, Daddy.
And we were here, now we've come there. We're going to keep going the same direction. It's going to take us further away from the lookout, not toward it.
What were we going to do?
Unless
Gonna
you
come
wanna
back?
Walk right back to
Go
the
back?
other parking lot and then walk all the way back. It's better to go back this way.
Oh yeah.
So where are we going? Back up?
Back
Yeah.
up. Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, we
Because
missed, we missed the lookout.
We missed it because there's no mark. There's no sign, nothing.
Balik!
Baka dun sa ano. May pa ganun eh.
Unless, unless you went there by yourself and knew which one was the one.
Oh my God.
So,
So what we're going to do?
No choice.
I think we should just go back.
Yeah. So, like a mosquito na.
Just go back and
Mosquitoes.
go home.
Yeah.
What?
Oh my God.
And it's better to get to your car than be lost overnight here.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Go, go!
Okay.
Go, go!
Mas nauna pa si Fiona eh, oh. Lakas umakyat ni Fiona eh.
Lakas yung tuhod ni Fiona.
Ay, grabe. Ang lamok. Grabe.
Yeah, one of my treats.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave.
Salamat, nandito na kami sa entrance. We still need to walk another 30 minutes. Pagod na ang baby ko? Ay, pagod na daw ang baby ko. Oh, we don't have food.
Why? You're hungry? Huh?
Oh, no water, no food.
Tayo na nga nandito sa loob ng forest.
Oh. Obe.
Akala ko nakalabas na tayo.
No.
Hindi pa pala.
Nasa ano pa lang.
Palang kalahati ko.
Obe, ikaw na. Kung magdala kay Diana.
Ikaw na.
Hello.
Yan tayo, pirang mata eh.
Akala ko nakalabas na.
Yan tayo, pirang sa likod tayo.
Oh.
Patilikuran sa tayo.
Malamok. Fiona, nilalamok ka?
Your hand.
Lahat lang napatay ko na lamok, tinignan ko rin na, para babae. Oo, ito.
Napatin ka pala ng babae tayo.
Ayan tayo.
Yun lang pala, lamok lang.
Namba mo ka babae?
Matamis tayo ang dugo mo.
Yung lamok lang para mahabol sa akin.
People getting eaten alive.
We are...
First fire, it takes
Maybe this way, te. Te, ito yung way ata. Saan yung way? Dito?
No, this way.
This way?
Yeah, we pass this way.